I bless you all. Let you all open all your three eyes and manifest the powers of Mahasadashiva. Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham.
From asana 47 to 68, and all Rechaka Kumbhaka it's exhaling. So it's the controlled exhalation. And in the Kumbhaka Paddhati, it says that by practice of Rechaka, control of exhalation, one also controls all the vayus. And by controlling the vayus, one simultaneously gets results. So all we're focusing on is the slow, controlled exhalation of the breath, and then holding that. And what this is doing is, as you learn to control a nice, long, slow exhalation and holding your breath, you're learning to control how the prana moves throughout the body. So it becomes like a skill to be able to move prana. Like, let's say you have really cold feet, for instance. You can literally play with the energy within you and create more heat down at your feet. If for some reason you want to pull all this energy up and you want to just sit in a deep space of bliss, well, I would visualize pulling all of this prana from the feet, from the knees, the thighs, from the Muladhara chakra, and pulling it up through each chakra and letting it sit at the top of the Sahasrara. This power comes available to you when you're actually able to control a nice, long, slow exhalation in Rechaka Kumbhaka. So all you're doing with this is you're basically inhaling, and then a nice, very long, slow exhalation, as long and slow as you can do. And then you're going to hold your breath for a certain period of time, however long you feel comfortable. Okay? So holding the breath as long as you feel comfortable, but the exhalation itself is a part of the Kumbhaka. It's the main component of the Kumbhaka. Okay, so you're inhaling. Nice, long, slow exhalation. Continue exhaling out all of the air and then holding for as long as you feel comfortable. Then when you feel ready, inhaling, filling up the lungs fully, and then again, nice, long, slow, controlled exhalation. And then holding. And then you can release. So this is Rechaka Kumbhaka. Very simple, basic pranayama, just controlling, focusing on the exhalation, a nice, long, slow exhalation.
Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham. Nithyananda Paramashivoham. Om Nithyananda Paramashivoham.